Alrighty, it is laundry day, and I'm pretty happy to be using the clothesline for the first time this year. But more exciting than that is this box from Fedco Trees that is taller than me and full of plants. I just got all the staples out of the box, so we're gonna open her up and take a look at what's inside. Oh boy. Holy Moses. Yeah, this thing is very, very packed. Got some nice roots showing there. So I will set this aside. Got my big old packing list, which is, not the smallest. Got mint, cranesbill geranium, some marshmallow. Oh boy. Bunchberry. Big old lavender plant. Wow. Two maidenhair ferns. Two leatherwood fern. Two yellow coneflower. Some spotted cranesbill. Oh, this one's exciting. Boy. Oh, sweet, it came from North Spore. Wine cap mushrooms. I'm actually really excited. I wanted to buy from North Spore, happened to be ordering from Fedco, and they had Spore available, so I figured I'd save on shipping and get it from one place. I'm really glad it's from North Spore. Ooh, my asparagus crowns. 25 of them. Holy smokes. Got, I think these are my plums probably. Wow. This is very different from my experience with getting the Hudson's Golden Gem tree. These are just insane. What do we have here? Ooh, this is the pear tree. So this is the Seckel pear. That guy's gonna go out front. I need to be quick and careful about this because I can't let anything dry out. Alright, what do we have here? My La Crescent plum. Oh wow, this mother's huge. Holy Moses. I have an apple tree named Harvey. So I ordered a stewardship apple from Fedco, and that's a program in which they get trees from the Historical Orchard Society in Maine. I can't remember the name. And they send you the tree, and you basically act as a steward of that tree. So here we have a Mount Royal plum. And if anything happens to their supply, they can contact you and get new, this is an American plum. They can get cuttings from that tree in order to, whoa, look at that. There's one huge root mass. Yeah, they get cuttings from the trees in order to make sure that they don't go extinct. It's kind of nice. A donation, some money goes to Fedco, and the donation goes to the Historical Orchard Society behind the program. I wonder if this is my chokeberry. Oh, yeah, this is one of my elderberries. God, look at that. Look at the roots on these things. Super well packed, in great shape. Alright, I'm gonna... Well, I guess we're almost done. So we have a Viking Black Chokeberry. Ooh, dropping wet paper on the ground. This is a Long John Plum. Certainly quite tall. And look how big the bottom sections of these trunks are. I mean, these trees are absolutely gorgeous. And this is Bob Gordon Elderberry. Let's see, is that everything? Should have had more plum trees. I thought I had 4 plum trees. I might not have just seen them. Oh yeah, that's everything. Okay. Yeah. So quite the pile of roots and crowns and all sorts of things. So I'm gonna start finding places to put everything. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye.